Hi, I'm Mari, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to import fonts into Procreate Dreams. So it is very similar to Procreate in this sense. So we can create a text layer, in this case a text track. Let me erase this one so it doesn't confuse us. And you can create here plus text, go here in the letter, and here we have all the typefaces. Okay, so I want to import the one that I use for my logo. I click here import, and I have it already in the download fonts. That is here, Malaga regular, and now we have it. Is here. This is the font I wanted to use. Okay, so now we go here to keyboard, write Marisen, and this is the font I wanted to use. It is very simple, and there is another method that you can come to your files and find the font you want and just drag it here to Procreate Dreams. And that one was called Omelin. So let's go here, text, and find the Omelin font. The letter O should be down here, Omelin here. And now we have another font. There you have it, 2 ways of importing fonts in Procreate. I hope you like this very short tutorial, and keep watching so I can share with you what I learned so far in Procreate Dreams. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!